Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a spider. This is one of many ways to draw a spider, so there's a bunch of different ways. There's even a playlist on this channel, so go check that out. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to use a marker here. You can use anything you like, all right? Let's go over here and draw this upper segment, like a curved line right there. Curve around the edge here, curve around the edge. It's almost like an egg shape ultimately. Curve along the bottom. Looks kind of like an egg in a way. And that's going to be one segment. Go over here. This is going to be longer. Curve down. Curve down. Curve underneath. Alrighty. I'm going to go over here and draw two bumps at the top where the fangs are going to come out. Over here, curve out, pull in. Over here, curve out, pull in. Looking over here, and the legs are going to come out of this segment, like this middle segment. And what I'm going to do here is draw little notches. I'm going to draw 4 on each side. 1, 2. Do like little marshmallow shapes. 3. Over here, I'm going to draw a line out. Thicken. Well, you know what? Before I do that, I'm going to draw this other segment over here. Out. Over here. Out. Over here. Out. I'm going to draw one more segment coming from here. Line out. And line down here. Over here on this side. Line down. Down. Over here, same thing. 2 more segments. And this one's going to lead out here. All right. I'm going to go over here this side before I thicken those out. I'm going to go over here on this side and draw 4 more little nodules on the other side. Okay. I'm going to go over here, find that segment. Same thing over here. Find that segment over here. Find that segment over here. Find that segment. In this direction, I'm going to pull down, down over here. Over here on this side, I'm going to do the same thing. Pull 2 more segments, like there. Over here on this side, down over here. Top one's going to have 2, but they're going to go upward. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the like. The like is what keeps this channel alive through the year. So absolutely hit like on this video and any other video you think that is worthy of a like. But yeah. Now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw I'm going to create a thickness out of that leg. See that? That chunk. Line in. I'm going to go over here, do the same thing. Line over here, in. Over here, in. We got that. Gonna go on this side, in here, in here, in, down here. Over here on this side, out, down, out, down, out over here. Let's go over here on the bug side, down. The front leg, line here, and line here. Let's go over here on this side here, down, arcing, down, line, down here. Same thing for this leg, out. Just creating those segments and just really trying to make them make sense, you know. might go up here, do that. Line here, line here, line up here. And that's it. Well, kinda. You can draw the eyes right here, like a circle at the top. Another one. You can draw a few. You can draw like 8 or so to kind of really give it that effect. But that's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. You're amazing. You can do anything you try as far as drawing goes and everything else. And I will see you in the next video, okay? So I'll see you tomorrow. I'm teaching every day, so see you later.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up. And you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent. And you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.